Drone magnate Bayraktar shared the update on his Twitter account with video footage. The indigenous aircraft reached an altitude of 20,000 feet during the trial, while the tests on the aircraft will continue. It is scheduled to start mass production by the beginning of 2024. Kizilelma is said to carry out air-to-air combat with its aggressive manoeuvres and advanced capabilities, setting it apart from other unmanned aerial vehicles. Specifically designed to engage air targets with domestic air-to-air ammunition, the platform is expected to have a significant impact on the battlefield.
Finland is one step closer to becoming a member of NATO. Turkey's parliament passed a bill on Thursday NATO's 31st member as war rages in Ukraine.